Anxiety is not only in your thoughts, it is in your cells. Every surge of stress forces your body to waste magnesium, as if your reserves were leaking away drop by drop. The less you hold, the harder it becomes to steady your mind or relax your muscles. This explains why tension builds so quickly and why calm feels so fragile. Scientists call magnesium the gatekeeper of calm. It balances cortisol, the main stress hormone, and fuels GABA, the neurotransmitter that tells the brain you are safe. Without it, fight or flight takes over faster, sleep becomes lighter, and the body struggles to release tension. Understanding this role changes everything because it means calm can be rebuilt at the most basic level. But where do you begin? The first step is with food. Modern diets are rich in calories but poor in minerals, leaving the nervous system starved. Adding magnesium-rich foods is the most natural way to restore balance. Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, beans, whole grains, and even a square of dark chocolate. Each bite is like a microdose of stability for your body. But food alone is not always enough, especially when stress is constant. That's where supplements come in. Not all supplements work the same. Some forms pass through the body with little effect, while others reach directly into the nervous system. Magnesium glycinate is gentle, highly absorbable, and often the best choice for emotional balance and sleep. L-threonate crosses the blood-brain barrier, supporting memory and deeper rest. Citrate helps with digestion, but is less calming. Choosing the right type is choosing whether magnesium truly works for you. Before starting or changing supplementation, always consult a qualified healthcare professional. Magnesium is safe for most, but your unique health profile matters. Professional guidance ensures safety and results. Even the right type fails if the dose is wrong. Too little brings no change. Too much causes discomfort. Research points to 200 to 400 milligrams a day as both safe and effective. But the real key is consistency. Magnesium restores balance gradually. With steady intake, the nervous system relearns calm. And once dosage is set, the next question is timing. Timing shapes the effect. If your mornings feel heavy, with restless energy and tightness in the chest, taking magnesium early sets a calmer baseline. If nights are the struggle, when thoughts won't stop and sleep won't come, an evening dose works better. Some people divide it, morning and night, for 24-hour balance. Finding your rhythm is as important as the dose itself. And once rhythm is in place, the real transformation happens when magnesium becomes part of your entire day. Think of calm as something you build hour by hour. A light morning dose paired with breakfast to smooth the start of the day. A handful of nuts or seeds in the afternoon to prevent the crash. Glycinate or threonate at night, woven into a wind-down ritual of reading, stretching, or journaling. Meals rich in greens and grains as the foundation. Supplements layered on top. This turns magnesium from a pill into a plan. And the plan grows stronger when combined with other calming supports. Magnesium is powerful alone, but it anchors even deeper when paired with daily rituals. Breathing exercises slow the heart, while magnesium relaxes the muscles. Journaling empties the mind while magnesium deepens rest. A walk in nature lowers stress hormones, while magnesium replenishes what stress takes away. Good sleep hygiene allows the mineral to do its work fully. One anchor steadies you. Many anchors hold you in place. But to unlock this, you need to avoid the common mistakes. Taking it with coffee blocks absorption. Taking more than 400 milligrams does not bring more calm, only discomfort. Choosing poorly absorbed forms like oxide or sulfate leaves your nervous system unsupported. Expecting instant results leads to frustration. Magnesium does not sedate. It restores. It takes weeks of consistency for calm to become visible. Understanding these mistakes prevents setbacks and clears the way for true stability. Anxiety often feels stronger than you, but calm is built in layers. One food choice, one correct supplement, one consistent practice. These choices, repeated, rewire how your body holds balance. And since every nervous system reacts differently, your path to calm is unique. Discover your personal anxiety profile in just 3 minutes. Learn how your body responds to stress and the exact next step to bring it back into balance. Take the quiz now. Click the link in the pinned comment or in the description and take the quiz now.